Alright guys, so we're sitting here doing a little editing on this video. It's going to be a little all over the place. I've been busy here at work working on stuff. Craig's been doing what Craig does.
I see how it is.
So if it seems a little random, I apologize for that. It is kind of random. So but anyway, we're going to get you guys started on this video. It's going to be our shop truck went down. It's pulled the engine out of it. Worked on the 82 a little bit. I think we walked around the old Camaro sitting back here. You kind of see it right in that area there. So, and then yeah, I guess that'll be about it. So guys, hope you enjoy the video.
Just what is it that you want to do?
Well, we want to be free. We want to be free to do what we want to do. And we want to get loaded. And we want to have a good time. That's what we're going to do.
Well, wait, baby, let's go.
We're going to have a good time.
What's up today, guys? So this is a few days after our last video, and we've got something else that's come up. The shop truck is down. Yeah, so we thought we had to stop that catalytic converter, and that wasn't the case. We've actually got some other issues going on, so we'll show you what we got working with. Let's go flip you around here. Today I got you on the camera phone today. And so this is what we're working on. We've got the transmission out of the truck, draining the oil and the antifreeze now. So making a little bit of a mess as usual. Got the starter loose, exhaust, and of course, you know, from here it doesn't look too bad. Did notice though we have a really bad power steering leak, so we'll have to address that. But anyway, we broke the studs off. If we can get up here and see it, so there and the bottom one there, we actually broke those off. Yeah, so we decided, hey, you know, we'll get a new manifold, put a manifold on it, and well, I started breaking off studs into the manifold, or into the head rather. So now with the room that we have, unfortunately the frame rail of the truck here runs pretty much right up against the manifold. So you can't really get anything in there to drill out the what's left of the bolt or weld onto it. The truck has somewhere around about 300,000 miles on it. So we're just going to pull the engine out of it today. So we're going to get the engine out of this. You can kind of see the Mustang back there. And I've got another car sitting back here. We'll get you a close-up of there. We'll take you around and let you check that one out in a little bit. So yeah, we've got a few projects going on today. So we'll probably set up time lapse, something like that, and take you guys along for the ride.
On today's episode of How Messed Up Is Messed Up.
That's messed up. And Alex is messed up.
Very messed up.
So you guys don't know Alex yet, but Alex has been over here hanging out, helping us work on the shop truck.
Well, he's even pulling the motor, helping us pull the
Well,
motor.
yeah, and he helped
I
us
was
pull the
in there a
motor.
little bit,
So.
yeah.
But so this is pretty much what we're working with.
Junk.
We've got the engine out. We've got the heads off. I'm gonna take you guys over here and let you see. There's Miles playing the computer. Say hey, buddy.
Hi.
Yes. And so got the heads out. This side looked pretty good, and the side that we suspected it having a issue is this one here. If you look, the spark plugs are not all the way down into the plug wells on either one, and then this valve is red. So you can tell it's been hot. So yeah. And Alex and Craig found some scoring in the cylinders. Which one was it? This one here? So I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera or not, but you might be able to. And we found some scoring. There's a little play. So that's what 300,000 miles looks like, guys. She's just wore out. And this is what I have to deal with right here. On the shelf over there. Really? Give us a wobble. If we don't get a what? Craig? No. Wobble. No. Wobble. So you guys, that's what we're working with now. We're going to try to get the oil pan off. And yeah, so we're going to hand the camera over to Alex and let Alex he can play with it a little bit. Here you go, Alex.
He likes to play with things. Alright, here we go.
Alright. Alright. So where is So guys, this is what I got me. It's already dirty. I've had it for a whole day. But this is like the best $200 I've ever spent right here.
It's quite nice.
So finish getting this oil pan off.
Your hands clean, Craig?
No, not yet.
That's true.
Everything on this engine's gritty.
It is.
Sand. I swear somebody put sugar in my tank.
Somebody put sugar in your tank and it ran for as long as it did, then.
That's why I got a hot valve.
Yeah, one of the valves is red.
Yeah, I was showing them that. Oh yeah, it sucked for sure. So we're looking at pretty much a complete engine rebuild.
Oh, yeah.
Or we just buy another engine.
Yeah.
Who's got that kind of money?
You?
Oh,
Mr. Fancy?
Ooh.
engine's running away.
Come back. Wait.
Hold on, I got it.
Go.
Okay, there we go. That's good. That was a little tight. Yeah, this cannot be good for my skin either.
Nasty. Nice. Clean hands.
Hold this.
Oh, not good
you
for you.
just wash your
Not good
hands?
for your skin
No?
neither.
Oh, okay.
I didn't wipe them off. Okay, I put these.
Craig, engine's running away again.
Hold it.
Oh, there we go. All right.
Damn it.
I put the oil pan back.
Greg.
Golly, man.
Got the motor.
Quit getting so tight, man.
There we go.
All of them?
That's it. Complete the boat.
Is it out?
Yeah, finally. What is that one? No, it's the same length. You sure? I need a rag. Did you find the rags?
Yeah, they're over there.
Hey, look at that.
Look at that.
Alex is quick with the
There
rags.
it is.
Heck yeah.
Gotta keep one on
We're
me.
going to have to start keeping Alex around. I like Alex.
There we go.
It's loose. Loosey goosey. It's loose.
It was pretty solid right there.
I can't find no place to put the ratchet. There we go. It's about all the good Mustang for right
Skirt.
now. A shelf. Skirt. Did you get? Oh no.
Ooh.
That sounded expensive.
Never
Just a
did.
gasket. Who needs a gasket?
How bad does it look?
Pretty bad. It's burnt oil.
Oh yeah. Well, it's not bad.
Oh my goodness.
Ew. There. Ew. What is that?
You need a bag.
Uh,
Ooh.
It's a piece of metal.
Oh.
I still had good oil pressure. Yeah.
Okay.
According to the gauge.
Is the gauge broken?
Probably is.
There it went.
Yeah, there's some. Wow.
Okay, now.
Wow.
You
Hey,
can really
Alex.
dance.
Do me a favor.
What you need?
Never mind, I think I got it. Ooh, mechanic swap.
I
I was trying not to get my pants dirty.
was not touching your butt. If that's what you wanted me to do.
That's
No, I
gross.
was just going to ask you to grab the rag, like the top of it, and whip it out.
Wow. All right, guys. So, what do you think?
Broken.
Nasty.
That's there.
Nasty.
Hey, yo, broski.
No broski. Lim Brewski.
Hey, broski.
Who that?
Let me get my vape, sir.
Oh, shit. Hold on.
Oh, that's right. Showers of vapors.
Broski, man, you just like you to plug me in.
I'm the plug of your own vape.
What time is it? It's must be past your bedtime.
Oh no, I fell asleep.
it's 8:06, bro.
All right. I guess we're gonna pull pistons.
I guess so.
Again?
Y'all want to pull pistons?
Bet.
Yeah, we can pull pistons.
We take oil pump out first.
No, we'll leave it in there.
No, we don't need it. We'll take it out.
We don't need it now.
That's kind of the point.
Well, you can stand there and squirt it with the oil while we spin it over. I guess.
Squirt it. Give it a good squirt.
You can get a
I
squirt
think it's
bottle.
got plenty of oil in it. We don't need to squirt any more in it.
Okay.
No, it had plenty of oil in it.
Man, this upsets me.
Hey guys.
Huh?
How does he stay occupied so long?
Like internet.
Internet.
So yeah. All right. Let's bust the pistons out.
All right, let's do it.
All right, bet.
You want to mark the caps or
Where the fancy ratchet at?
you gonna mark? Which one? That one. It's right there.
That one right there.
I guess I need to get the one where you spin it off. What? The pickup tube off. What is that? A 10 and 2 8s.
Looks like it.
Sure.
Looks good.
Sure.
Okay. Did this go to my truck?
Yes.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. I really don't think it went to the truck for real.
That's what
the big valve cover
that's the
bolt
one that
for
was
your
thrown
side.
at my
I was
foot
about to say
earlier.
it's entirely too clean to come off
okay,
out there.
That's the one that was thrown at my foot earlier.
Oh.
We do it like this.
Walk around the Camaro and let everybody see the
Oh, here we
Camaro.
go.
That 67 Camaro though.
All original, right?
Yeah, matching numbers. Look at the inside. The inside's nice and clean.
There you
Got her or something on the back.
327.
go. Door's locked.
Very nice little car. No, the doors are unlocked.
They won't open it. That one's
Oh,
locked.
it's got a for sale tag.
Oh,
Yeah. How much? Right more than I got.
You know what I'd do with it if I had it? LS swap.
That's what.
No, big block Chevy swap.
that's crazy. That car's got a 327 in it. My 4-cylinder makes 100 more horsepower than it.
I'm sorry, but that looks like a toilet seat or toilet robe thing on the back seat of it.
What are you looking at?
It's awful fluffy. Look at the fluffiness.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's got
It's got fur.
it's got
or
the
fuzz or something.
fur.
Yeah, that's fancy.
Boots with the fur.
So,
Okay.
He just said boots with the
Boots
fur.
with the fur.
He just took it too far. Everybody's laughing, having a good time. Boots with the fur.
It's pretty. I like this color a lot.
You hit the flow. Next thing you know. Break that low, low.
Oh, wow. Thanks.
No.
I turned around at perfect time.
Oh no. Okay.
Almost hit Mike in the head.
Yeah, I seen that.
Sorry, Mike.
Why are you so angry?
You told me to wiggle it.
Yeah, well.
I turn around and see Mike chasing Craig across the shop with a wrench.
Alright, let's see.
What are them? 10s?
10s or
Is that-
11s.
Them 10s?
The 10s?
Them's not 10s.
Them's 11s or 12s.
Them's 7 6/10.
Huh?
I don't know.
What?
Them's bigger here. Them's bigger.
Dems is bigger.
Them's is bigger.
Dems is bigger.
Bigger is always better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
not
11.
Then that's not it.
It's standard. Don't you say it. This is a family channel.
I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah, she's seen.
We need our standard. What do you need 18 for?
So I spin this over and get the
Where your standard socket's at?
and the yeah open red tray there. Don't hurt yourself.
They might jump out and get you all at once. Oh, shake the drawer 2 times. It won't be in the same place no more. Oh, jeez.
Give it a good shake.
Ah, jeez. What size is that?
9/16.
Well, what's the next one down?
A ½ inch.
It's probably, is it a half?
Yes.
Why is there so many different sizes?
Back to the box.
Craig, get the toolbox.
Smaller than that, 7/16.
Go again.
Yay!
It's good exercise. I like the exercise.
Back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth.
No,
You know what?
What?
Just in case, I'm bringing the 3/8
Yeah, just bring the box over here, I'm telling you.
The box won't go that far. 7/16. I told you.
You didn't tell
It
me.
only took
That's why
4
you went
tries.
through 9 sizes before you got that one.
Told you it was
Should we mark this? Like piston 1, 2?
No, you good.
I want to put it back together.
With new parts.
Why are you gonna put it back together? You can't use it yet. Oh, sorry. My bad.
You was fired.
Mike got me angry.
He's fired.
Oh, crap. Stupid.
We don't condone name calling on this channel.
Motor's running away again. That bearing.
Actually, doesn't look very bad. Got a little scoring on it, but it's not horrible. Not for 300,000 miles.
Same thing as that cylinder is deep.
Okay. Holds the engine. Oh, you're not holding it very good. 2 fingers is not adequate, sir. Jeez. Would you hold the engine, please,
If you
sir?
let me put this rod cap down.
Sir, I give up. You got it now?
No.
You're using 2 hands?
No.
Wait. Holy crap.
It's tight.
That's
it's,
ridiculous.
it's real tight.
Ridiculous.
That's ridiculous.
Go!
I should have cleaned the floor up. I'm sliding over here. Driving it now, they finally charged the battery. They've been working with it all day.
Yeah.
Ooh,
It's all your fault.
that one's nasty.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yuck, that one's...
The bearing stayed on here.
Oh.
That's why.
Oh.
Okay. I got... Oh.
That's not good.
That's not no good. That's why I say it's awful.
Same
Yucky.
thing as the first one is deep.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right,
bad.
spin the engine so I can get to this.
Give it a good spin.
Hey, Alex.
Yeah.
Lay that over there, sir.
Hang on a minute. Let's get this.
Well, let's get these 2 pistons out.
It's a little scored up.
Get these 2 pistons out. I catch.
I need,
What you catching?
Get your dead blow.
Hey, you got the camera light. Come here.
Where you at?
Right here.
Look closely. Just don't let those hit the cylinder walls.
Well, it didn't hit it hard.
Don't let
Don't
those
let
hit
it
the
scratch
thud.
it.
Yeah. How much further we got?
Can
you
a
grab it
thumb?
at all?
No. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming.
It's no go.
Bump it.
I can't. Supposed to get my finger out of there before I do that.
Yeah. Be smart.
I heard it hurts less if you do that.
There it comes. I got some piston.
It's a piston.
How bad does that one look? Does the bearing look like it's got a groove in it too?
Yep. Yep. Put your finger in it.
Nice. Real nice.
Oh no.
What do we?
Oh no.
Oh.
What? Has it been hot? Look at the wear on the side of the piston.
That's what I'm talking about. Are you sure it's wear?
Is it wear?
Or is it just where it's clean and the rest of it's burnt?
I think that's where it looks
Look.
like.
Just blow by.
Burnt oil. Your rings is wore out. You need rings, sir.
New truck.
Well, buy one.
I not got new truck monies.
Where are we supposed to put the piston in?
You can call Gavin at just a six and let him.
We got too much stuff in here. Where are we supposed to put these? Hey, you dropped something.
Yeah, it was a piece of gasket.
Gasket?
Hey, gasket!
Gasket. Here you go. I just lean him up over there.
Where?
Over here? Put him right here. Maybe.
What side? That was 1,
Yes. 1.
2.
Mm-hmm.
So go disc cylinder number 1.
Then yeah, that's the one in that hand.
Disc cylinder number
No, the opposite side.
5. Oh, 5. 3.
2,
5.
2.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then on the other side. 5, 6, 7. I need to go to sleep.
How many are on that side?
5.
5 on this side.
What's this, a 16
It's a 9 cylinder.
Holy crap.
There's 5 on this side.
That's a piece over here.
Oh no!
Lick it.
Alright, wait, so which one's which? This is number 2, right?
Okay.
So confused.
Okay.
Don't worry
That
about
one.
it.
That one came out first. This one's first.
Okay, number 1.
Okay, and
This
that
one
one's
number 5.
according to you. That's like number 12.
I'm talking about something.
Please help me. I don't know where I am.
I can't help you, just number 5.
Woo.
Ow, that's my pants. I said help me.
Ow, that's my pants. Oh, that's my inanimate object. Oh God.
I got something stuck in my hand.
What did it?
Your finger?
Piece of metal.
Piece of ring?
It's like the other day. It was like, I got
So
something
this
in my
this
eye.
to cap off the second one.
Is that your eye?
They came out.
Yes, that's the one you handed me. That's the one you set down.
Try to keep them together.
I
That's
think.
what I'm doing. Okay.
You're doing a great job, Craig.
If I knew my numbers.
Insert sarcasm.
Hey, this rock cap bolt stuck.
Hit it with a hammer.
I did. Hit it with my hand on the thing.
Yeah, that didn't work.
See what we get into over here.
Mm-hmm.
See, Alex is kind of new to this. He's not used to hanging out with me and Craig.
Yeah, this sure won't be the last time I do either. I'm gonna have Craig message me every time he comes up here. I'm just gonna roll up here.
So that one looks like it's got some scarring in it too.
That gets heavy. Those get heavy.
Yeah, a little bit right there.
Hey, this bearing won't go back in.
Hey, really though, for 300,000 miles,
Yeah, honestly, well, that's kind of expected at that many miles anyway.
I want this bearing to go back in here.
oh, I don't know. I'm not
You-
that bearing.
You broke it.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go with. He broke
No,
it.
it's the one that got stuck on the crank.
Oh, that one. I don't know.
Never mind, I think I got it halfway back in there.
Hey, who's trying to run away again?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Alex's job, not mine.
Don't. It's Alex's job, me.
Yeah, you're the only person who named Alex.
Maybe I should break these loose with a different ratchet and then use this one.
That'd probably be smart.
Well, I wanted to test it. It's got a warranty.
Okay, well, you're one to go out right
Battery's about dead.
Is-
What's up, everybody? I'm not yelling today or being really loud because I can't breathe. I got Craig over here hanging out. And as you can see, we're hanging out in the shop today. And we got our Mustang sitting over here. Craig is working on getting the factory wiring harness out. And that way we can go ahead and start looking at maybe putting some wiring in this car. I have been working on some welding. Got the welder hooked up. And just been kind of cleaning up a few things. Filling in all these little holes that are unnecessarily, and fixed a few little waypoints. Heated this up, straightened up this little frame right here. Everything's looking nice. We're gonna cut this out, weld in a new piece. Everything is looking pretty good. I did mark the holes for the K member, so it's gonna be fun. I don't know. Let's go look.
You have to take all the plugs out of the steering column.
All the plugs have to come out.
This one, that one.
Go get my saws off.
You don't need that.
So anyway,
Too bad we ain't got a 3.5 no more.
Mm.
We could have took the whole steering column out and made it work.
yeah. So this is what we're working on. Just hanging out, having a good time. Oh, something me and Craig did over the, what was it, last weekend I guess? We went to Georgia and we got a really good deal. I'm gonna show you what we got. We got a complete core support for this car. And everything is here. The fender apron's a little messed up. We are going to replace these with either factories or the Scott rods. Haven't made up our minds yet. But we have everything. Even the lower part isn't damaged. Usually these things get pulled up on a curb, gets bent up. Luckily that hasn't happened to that one. We got fenders, which I do have a driver's side fender.
fuse box broke.
The fuse box broke. What the? Huh. Alright, so this is 30-year-old wiring we're dealing with, so I'm assuming all of this is going to break. Anyway, got fenders. Got a new passenger fender. And we got a new, or new to us, no, it's coming. This is off a 84. Hey guys, we scored all this for like $75. We drove the doors. It was a 4-hour ride there, 4-hour ride back, but for $75, you couldn't beat it. Oh, and what? I do. Okay. You can see that. That's right, 82. This is the original tag off the car. We found it inside it. Pop it. Never mind. Put some WD-40 on that. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, let's see here. What do you want here? Some cutters, you said? There you go.
That's a WD-40 apparently.
Alright, let's see. What do we need?
There's kind of WD-40 under the truck.
On the truck. I'll go get it, or you want to go get it?
You go get it.
I'll go get it. Well, let's walk over and get some WD-40. Gotta find some WD-40. We're not sponsored by WD-40 either.
We should though, because we wear it like a phone.
Will you stop?
You need some.
You know what you're doing?
You need some WD. You need some WD. You need some WD.
It's not gonna fix it.
You need some. This whole thing. Oh, that's why. Look at that bushing.
It's factory.
No, that bushing is out of the hole. That's not factory.
It's not factory. I bet it was factory when it was put in there.
Yeah, you're right. Somebody made it factory.
Oh my goodness. Alright, WD-40 is the shit. No more pops. But now keep the door open. So anyway, guys, we're going to set up the tripod, I guess, and put it on a little time lapse. We're going to do some work and I guess take you guys along for the ride.
I should have said I needed a small screwdriver too. I'll find don't tell me. I'm gonna figure it out. Nope,
second drawer on the right. That one right in that area there.
You weren't supposed to tell me I was gonna figure it out. You're supposed to
You'd
wait.
never figure it out. You get lost between here and the toolbox.
Yeah, it's pretty easy for me.
So anyway, guys, we're gonna set you up on the tripod, do a little bit of work, do a time lapse, just hanging out, having fun, and only the wires that goes to the headlights. That's all I need. That's all we need.
So I think we showed you guys this when we was taking a picture of the heads earlier. This is pretty much normal. This is not normal. This has got a helicoil in it. If you look here, this one's turning green. So
Yeah,
when you have a helicoil in it, spark plug doesn't set all the way into the chamber.
It only goes as far as
So
the
it
helicoil.
causes detonation and high heat temperatures. And one of the valves pretty much turned red.
This is the cylinder. This spark plug was on the cylinder. The valve turned red, where it's
Yep.
green.
And then when I took this one out, we ended up actually having to cut with a pick the spark plug blew off because it had actually melted to the spark plug.
Yeah, it was melted to the spark plug.
And you
pretty
can
bad.
still see it's got some of the spark plug boot still stuck to it.
No, that's the dielectric grease that came in it.
Well, look, it turned to rubber then.
Yeah, they did on these ones too.
See you guys.
Helicoil bad.
That's temporary, sure, but it's only temporary. It's not a permanent fix.
We either have to get a new engine or completely rebuild this one.
The gap on that was bad. Look.
You can't reuse it anyway.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying. I was joking.
But let's see, I can't remember which ones it was. I think it's this one. On that rod bearing is kind of scored pretty bad. You can put your fingernail in the mark. This one's the same way. The last two that we pulled out, which is these two, they actually look fine. But the rest of them have like a pretty deep score in them. And Mike's taking his aggression out on the 82. We didn't have the camera rolling at that point, but he's over here beating that fender apron off with a hammer, a big one. And we still got Miles over there playing Beam and G, because that's what he's done all day, pretty much. But
yeah, we're gonna try to clean this up. I guess I'm gonna be up here tomorrow trying to get this cleaned up. You coming tomorrow? Hang out.
I don't know.
I'm gonna try to get the wiring harness and stuff off, get the rest of this, get the accelerator cable out, get these brake lines and stuff loose, kind of polish and buff up all this.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be in the video where I was working on this.
Yeah.
Okay. I've almost got this almost completely out. The wiring harness went across to the
These holes like all this in it.
Yeah.
Switch cheese. So I was smoothing it out.
dome light switch for the door.
By the time you paint it,
And me and my grandpa had fixed that before Mike got this car, because I had this car originally. We ended up cutting the wire because we couldn't get the switch back out, and we're basically taking all this wiring harness out. The only thing we're keeping is really like the fuse box to make the turn signal wiring and all that kind of stuff, to make the taillights and the headlights and all that kind of stuff work. The rest of it is going to be all of that. So that's the reason why we're taking this wiring harness out. We're trying to fit that wiring harness in, trying to get it mocked up, make sure it's going to fit. And then once we get all that figured out, we're going to put the dash, fasten the dash back up. And
so when you tighten these down, it's actually a bolt here.
Yeah.
So you loosen these and you adjust the bolt and it'll adjust.
Yeah.
You know.
was what the red car had on it. But yeah, we're just trying to finish up on the 82. Like we ran into the thing with Mike's engine. We pulled it out. He's not very happy about it, which I wouldn't be either. But I mean, there's 300,000 miles on that truck. It needed.
But I missed my truck.
It needed something. I mean,
Yeah.
it was wore
Cut
out.
off a little bit more of a chew with that one.
But
I got my mess cleaned up.
we're trying to get the last fender apron off of this car so we can put new ones on it and get the core support over there.
So yeah, and we'll be
Put back
bringing,
on.
we'll be doing a video on the fender aprons, welding those in. We got to get the core support disassembled from those fender aprons and everything, get it welded to the front of the car, measure everything out, get it straight, and hopefully everything starts coming together
And then
on
once
this
we-
thing here soon.
Once we get the core support and stuff on that, and then we'll start fitting the wiring harness and the 3-valve back in. We're still looking for a 01 to 04 3650 transmission.
Which I found some, they're about $700. So.
Now it's probably like,
We got to think too, that engine's all aluminum.
Yeah.
So it's about, I think when we looked it up, it was like 50 or 75 pounds lighter than the actual 5.0 that goes in here.
I think so.
And makes more power. So, yeah, it's weight
Oh, man.
reduction.
Hell yeah.
It might be more than that, honestly. That one might weigh less than 5.0 by a lot.
Yeah.
But what I looked up, it said it was like 75 pounds lighter. But yeah, we're just trying to finish some stuff up.
Get this off the rest of the way, and then we're gonna call it a night.
But yeah, I'm sorry about Mike and his truck.
Yeah, me too.
Rest in peace.
So we'll probably have some more videos on that, putting another motor in it, or
Yeah.
either rebuilding that one, which I don't think. With that head that we found, I don't think we're gonna use them.
Head cool's bad. The only way to fix that is to drill it out, put a
Oversized
spark plug in it. It's really not worth it. I mean, I can go through trouble doing that, or just find another engine. That's probably what we're gonna do.
But
Pick up an engine for $1,100 with a warranty. I already got all the accessory drive stuff, and that's will be the best way to go.
and the best part about it is the transmission and stuff's still good. So
Yep.
just have to buy an engine. But you have the wiring harness and all the accessories and stuff. So of course we fought with it, getting it out. It looks like a big hole when you take the motor out, but it's not really that big. The back of the heads hit the cow on the truck.
Well, it was once we got that cleared, it was the flex plate.
Yeah.
So if you don't take the accessory drive off of an F-150 with a 4.6 in it, take the flex plate off before you pull the engine.
Yeah.
It will not clear the core support and the cow at the same time.
Ask that man, he knows.
But with a pry bar, it will. Just so you guys know.
There's always a way to
Probably
fix
a little
something.
bit of pressure.
Yeah. A little bit of patience. So anytime you do work with stuff like this, patience is always key.
I think we're gonna have to start getting Alex on the channel some more.
Yeah.
So anytime y'all are up here, I'll be here.
So I guess that's gonna be it.
Well, you heard it here. We're working on a 3-valve project, getting the truck kind of fixed, hopefully.
Thanks to Alex coming out and hanging out.
Yeah,
helping
thanks to
out.
Alex for helping, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.